In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm at Walmart in-store 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check out with Affirm in person or get set up from your phone or computer before you head to the register. Affirm partners with select stores to offer financing at low or no interest, and you can search for participating locations in the Affirm app or on affirm.com. If your local Walmart supports Affirm, you can use it right at checkout. Start by filling your cart with what you need, then choose Affirm as your payment method when you pay. You'll be prompted to enter your mobile number and select Continue. If it's your first time applying with Affirm, you'll be guided to create an account. Next, check your phone for a 6-digit one-time verification code, enter it to confirm your identity, and you'll see whether you're approved for that purchase. From there, review the payment options offered and complete checkout. If you prefer to set things up on your phone before you shop, use the Affirm app. Download the free app from the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. Open it, enter your mobile phone number, and if you're new to Affirm, follow the prompts to create an account. Affirm will text you a 6-digit code, enter it in the app to verify, then tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need. The app will immediately let you know if you're approved and present available payment plans. This is handy if you want to confirm your options ahead of time and walk into Walmart ready to pay with confidence. You can also prepare on a computer at affirm.com, sign into your Affirm account, or create one if you haven't yet. As with the app, you'll receive a 6-digit one-time code by text. Enter it to verify. Then indicate where you're shopping and the amount you plan to spend. Affirm will quickly show whether you're approved for that purchase and outline the repayment choices available. A few quick tips to make checkout smooth. Use a mobile number that can receive text and keep your phone handy during checkout for the verification code. Review the terms before you accept. Look at the total cost, interest, and payment schedule so you choose the option that fits your budget. If you're not approved for the full amount, consider adjusting your cart or paying part upfront. And remember, on-time payments help keep your account in good standing. That's it. Whether you check out directly at the register, prepare in the app, or start on your desktop, you now know the clear steps to use Affirm at Walmart in store.